What is going on, everyone? Hope you're having a fantastic night tonight. As always, we got some tier 3 patrons to shout out. We have James, Marissa, Charles, Levi, Trisha, Fonz, and Kyle. Thank you all so very much. You know why we're here? Let's get right into it. Gonna officially crack into this Wolf and Bear album. Got track number 1 here, Indigo. Ooh. Yes. Yeah, dude, I love that. The little, oh yeah. That flow. There's some really good flows on here. They're going hard on the vocals. I love how the guitar is just tickling my left ear. You got some nice chords going on the right. Bass right in the middle. Vocals though.
Call me up, don't be a stranger. Swear I'm never gonna find another mama that I adore. Oh no. Call me up, I'm not your neighbor, no, but I'll leave you some sugar I'm on. Yeah.
That is so sexy. Come on.
They wanna get the hype until they risk it all. What's the point? There's nothing pushing you. Keep on calling for the bullshit that is fixing you. That is fixing you. That is fixing you. That is fixing you.
It's over already. I was just getting going. That was almost 3 minutes, but it felt like a minute. That was amazing. I was just getting started with that track. I mean, I guess it is number 1 on the album, but that was so fun. Wolf and Bear here with Indigo. First one up, finally cracking in officially to the album. We've checked out the singles. They've all been amazing. But here, starting us off with track number 1, that was awesome. That was awesome. I was loving the flows. The flows of the vocals on here were really shining for me. So many cool little cadences and switch ups and kind of, trade-offs and just a whole lot of just sheer variety in the vocals was making this so much fun. The groove was incredible. I love, again, that lead guitar in my left ear, those nice chords in the right ear, bass front and center, drums really grooving. But man, the freaking vocals on this were so fun. Lots of different tones, ranges, cadences, just so many fun things going on. You just listen to it and you're like, I just want to, this sounds like fun. This is what fun sounds like. And I enjoyed it. I can't wait to listen to more. You know, we finally cracked into the album, so we're going to start checking more out. Super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.